You should never hold your pee, and this is why. This is Jennifer Strange, who entered a competition called Hold Your Pee for a Wee. The contestants were forced to drink as much water as they could without going to the washroom. And you see, Jennifer really wanted to win this wee for her kids, so she drank 8 bottles of water. But tragically, this caused her body to shut down due to water intoxication. Jennifer was rushed to the hospital, but sadly the doctors couldn't save her. And the company who hosted this horrible contest was completely cancelled.